I don't know if you saw this one, this Adidas Lego collaboration. Did this one cross your path?
No.
Yeah, this is an unlikely collaboration.
They did a collaboration with Samsung.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
Yeah.
They're making moves. Now they teamed up on some less ambitious sneakers that are just kind of inspired by Lego. My kid's already got one. My littlest kid got some tiny ones.
Okay.
This is way more elaborate. This is an actual Lego capable Ultra Boost sneaker.
Lego capable.
Like, that's real Lego. You can attach whatever pattern you like to it.
Huh.
You can connect. So where you have your 3 stripes, you can do any pattern you want over there.
Oh, okay.
In Lego pieces.
Nice. And I see at the front as well.
I don't think you can clip on there. I think that's more of an homage, those little connector looking things on the front. But actually, if you scroll down, there's a little promo video. The new customizable Ultra Boost DNA X Lego plates, running shoes.
Those are nice.
Look at this.
Looks playful.
Whoa. What an unlikely collaboration, though.
Yeah.
Just wouldn't expect it. But yeah, anyway, so it's those clear pieces on the side. You can put whatever pattern you want, I guess. It's compatible with any Lego piece. So you want to do like 3 blue stripes, or you want to do combo stripes, or you want to do yellow, whatever it might be.
Wow.
You can express yourself.
Yeah. Well, I'm surprised that you can customize the actual stripes. Adidas don't really like the stripes to be messed with, you know?
Interesting.
Yeah.
If you're Lego, you get to mess with the stripe.
Yeah, I guess so. You have the prestige.
It comes with a collection of bricks when you buy it, so you don't need to bring your own bricks. BYOB.
Huh.
That's what I like to say.
Nice.
Remember that famous YouTube video with the dude who had his bricks stolen? He had his Lego stolen.
Yeah.
That super viral video. He says, "I'm out." He says, "I quit YouTube. Fine." The guy stole my stuff. He's crying. It's so authentic.
Yeah, very sad.
But people still question if it's real or not, as you would anything on the internet, which is fair. Anyway, you don't need to go and get your own bricks. I'm sure you could use your own, but it comes with a variety. So you can customize inside the box. The Ultra Boost DNA X Lego plates are set to go on sale Thursday, April 8th at 10 a.m. It will be on the Adidas website, $200, which sounds like a lot, but Ultra Boost shoes are already a lot.
Right, yeah.
So the only thing I would say about it is one of the nice things about Ultra Boost sneakers, because I own a few of them, is that they're fairly lightweight. You start blasting Lego bricks on there. And now it's the thin style Lego plate. So, but you might have a slightly heavier package when it's all said and done.
Right.
Oh, how about the insole having the texture to it, so you feel the Lego pieces on the sole of your foot?
Yeah,
like
not
the Lego piece, because you don't want to step on a Lego piece.
Yeah, it's like hot lava.
I'm saying it has like the indents. It'll be a bit of a massage.
Yeah, it's not bad. Nice touch.